Yan kakabsat mga bunsoy, ito yung White Cross. Ito yung in memory of the 600 na nakitang bangkay ng mga Amerikano rito. 600 na mga Filipino bodies na nakita ng mga ng mga Americans nung nileberate nila tong Intramuros. Mamaya tignan natin kung makapababa pa tayo dun sa dungeon sa baba. Try natin ang kakabsat mga bunsoy. Hirap kasi bumaba dyan yung pag matangkad. Yung ceiling, low ceiling. Ako hirap eh. Hirap ako bumaba dyan. Yung low ceiling. Pang 6 footer ka, patay ka dyan eh. Diskarte lang. Kaya to. Ang bababa oh. Ang baba. Ang baba ng bukana. Wait lang ah. Paatras tayo. Ang style nito paatras. Paatras ako rito eh. Ganyan no. Ganyan ako rito pag mapasok. Paatras. Pahirap. Yan. Kapasok din. Mahirap pag matangkad. Yan. Yan yung mga Japanese soldiers. Mahirap pag matangkad. Ako nahirapan eh. Low ceiling. Bodies of dead civilians inside the dungeon 1945. Image from Philippine World War II Memorial Foundation. Grabe no. Yan yung mga bodies ng mga namatay. Yung pumasok dito yung mga Amerikano dito sa Fort Santiago. Itong inabutan nila dito sa dungeon na to. Yan. Kumpul-kumpul sila. Bali 600 daw lahat yan na bodies. Grabe. Bodies of dead civilians inside dungeon 1945. Pati babae saka mga di pinatawad binayuneta talaga yun Pati bata sa mga babae. Women and children killed by bayonet and rifle fire in the whole city 1945. Dead bodies scattered in Manila streets 1945. Dead mother and infant. Grabe, pati sanggol tinutas Bodies of dead civilians in Manila 1945. Civilians killed by Japanese forces Manila 1945. 3 women killed by Japanese forces in the whole city 1945. Grabe. Pati babae wala natin pinatawad ng mga Hapon talaga. Salbahe talaga yung mga Hapon dati Yun yung mga dinatnan nila rito na 600 na mga bodies ng mga Amerikano. Nung niliberate ng mga Amerikano tong Fort Santiago, yun ang inabutan nila. Ganyan yung mga inabutan nila. Remains of several priests, pati pare. Ayun ang mga pare ito killed in the Wall City 1945. Pati pare, hindi pinatawad. Salbahe. Dead civilian, Manila. Manila Massacre. From February 3 to March 3, 1945. Isang buwan, the city of Manila became a major urban battlefield. Allied forces, US troops assisted by Filipino guerrillas fought to liberate Manila from the defending Japanese forces. Widespread fires started by the Japanese burned down most of the city, with US artillery adding to the destruction. During the battle, the Japanese army went on a rampage, killing thousands of civilians across the city, an event known as the Manila Massacre. The areas south of the Pasig, Intramuros, Ermita, Malate, and Paco were the most devastated and suffered the most from the wide-scale killings conducted by Japanese troops. In the end, almost half of Manila was destroyed, and an estimated 100,000 civilians were killed during the Battle of Manila. The chamber of the dungeon witnessed to the deaths of many civilians in 1945 are now lined with the photographs of the atrocities committed by the Japanese as well as the destruction of Intramuros during World War II. Torture chamber siguro. Torture chamber to. Dito yung torture chamber nila. Yan, torture chamber. US soldier and police identifying massacre victims at the bomb shelter. Injured mother with child, Manila, 1945. Evacuating survivors from Intramuros, 1945. Injured civilian and companion, 1945. Ruins of Intramuros, Manila, 1945. Grabe, no? Talagang wasak. Colegio de San Juan de Letran, under artillery fire. Pinasabog din pala Letran nun. Grabe. Yung Letran din pala nun, pinasabog din. Colegio de San Juan de Letran, under artillery fire, 1945. Ruins of Casa del Castellan in Port Santiago, 1945. Destruction of Intramuros, 1945. Japanese soldier to. Dito na tayo sa taas. May overlooking dito. Yeah. Yun. Ganda yung overlooking dito. Yung kitang-kita rito yung Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Yun ang Esplanade sa kabila. Upload videos lang kakabsat mga bunsoy. Ang ganda ng lighting ng Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Esplanade yung gilid. Andito tayo sa Port Santiago. Yan, out na natin kakabsat mga bunsoy.